Sadar Bazar is one of the busiest and oldest markets in Delhi, known for its wholesale market and diverse range of products. In such a bustling area, it is important to have accurate and reliable surveys conducted to ensure proper planning and development. This is where surveyors in Sadar Bazar play a crucial role. These professionals are trained in conducting surveys and collecting data related to various aspects of the market, including infrastructure, traffic patterns, and demographic information. By conducting these surveys, they provide valuable insights to businesses and government agencies for making informed decisions. Surveyors in Sadar Bazar are equipped with the knowledge and tools required to accurately measure and map out different areas of the market. They use advanced technology such as GPS systems and laser measuring devices to ensure precise measurements. This enables them to create detailed maps and plans that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as urban planning, real estate development, and infrastructure projects. Their expertise in surveying techniques allows them to identify potential issues or challenges that may arise during the implementation of such projects. One area where surveyors in Sadar Bazar are particularly important is in the field of SCON design. SCON design refers to the layout and arrangement of various structures within a given space. It involves determining the most efficient use of space, as well as ensuring proper functionality and aesthetics. Surveyors play a key role in SCON design by conducting surveys to gather data on the existing structures and their surroundings. This data helps architects and designers to create SCON designs that are not only visually appealing but also practical and functional. Surveyors in Sadar Bazar work closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the SCON design process. They collaborate to understand the specific requirements of a project and conduct surveys accordingly. By collecting accurate data on factors such as land topography, existing infrastructure, and environmental conditions, surveyors contribute to the creation of SCON designs that are tailored to the needs of the clients. In conclusion, surveyors in Sadar Bazar play a crucial role in ensuring proper planning and development in one of Delhi's busiest markets. With their expertise in conducting surveys and collecting accurate data, they provide valuable insights for businesses and government agencies. They are particularly important in SCON design, where their surveys contribute to the creation of functional and aesthetically pleasing designs. Whether it is for urban planning, real estate development, or infrastructure projects, surveyors in Sadar Bazar make significant contributions that shape the future of the market. When it comes to finding reliable surveyors in the bustling market of Sadar Bazar, Delhi, one name that stands out is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned surveying company that has been serving clients in Sadar Bazar and across Delhi for many years. With their expertise and experience, they have become the go-to choice for individuals and businesses in need of reliable surveying services. Surveyors play a crucial role in various construction and development projects. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, ensuring that the project is carried out smoothly and efficiently. In Sadar Bazar, where the market is filled with numerous options, choosing the right surveyor becomes even more important. This is where SCON